Hello friends, welcome to Kiko's Language School. Today we are going to learn the next 5 letters of the Hiragana alphabet. In an introduction video, we learn what Hiragana writing system is, and then we learned the first 25 letters in Hiragana alphabet in last videos. I have put the links to those videos in the description box below. If you still haven't watched them, you can take a few minutes to watch them. And if you haven't subscribed to Kiko's Language School, click the subscribe button and join us. Thank you. Let's begin the video. Ganbarimashou. First, let's learn how to read these letters. Ha, hi, fu, he, ho. Ha, hi, fu, he, ho. Now let's learn how to write these letters. I have shown you the stroke order. If you want, you can pause the video and write them down step by step. Now, let's learn some words we can write using today's lesson. Haha, mother. Hito, person. Fune, board. Hetana, unskillful. Hone, born. Hana, flower. Height, yes. Hikui, low. Hosoi, slim. Hatachi, 20 years old. Let's read them again together. Haha, hito, fune, hetana, hone, hana, height, hikui, hosoi, hatachi. Well done! We learned the next 5 letters of the Hiragana alphabet today, and we learned 10 words we can write using the first 30 letters. In our next video, we are going to learn the next 5 letters and some words we can write using them. Stay motivated. Learning something new can make it hard to keep it up, but never give up. Nothing is impossible. 夢を成功するために頑張って勉強しましょう。見てくれてありがとうございました。サブスクライブして、ライクしてくださいね。